This is Mr. Warden. This is a video key for Do Now 17.3, and I'm doing a little bit of a reprise of something that was on the exit ticket the other day, where we're going to look at probability from a sort of statistical standpoint. Now, sometimes you can't predict just from rolling dice or counting the number of sides on a dice or counting the cards on a deck. Sometimes you have more complicated situations, so you make an estimated probability prediction based on surveyed data. And what you do is you try to get a random sample of people and get an idea. If it's a large enough sample, you can get a pretty good idea and make a reasonable prediction. And so what this table shows is a survey of 100 students. So 100 students have been randomly selected from 2,000 students overall. And we've asked them, okay, how many of you plan to go to community college, four-year college, take a year off before college, go to trade school, or don't plan to go to college? And so here's our list, and this adds up to 100 people. So based on this survey, what is the probability a student plans to go to community college? So to figure that out, we know the total possible outcomes in the survey is there's 100 possible responses, okay? And 24 of those are the desired response, which is go to community college. So that is the probability, which comes out to 24% exactly. Or if you want, you could put it as a fraction, and it would be, well, we can factor 4 out of 24 and out of 100, so it would be 6 out of 25. Now, the next question asks us to use that probability and make a prediction of how many of those 2,000 students, remember it was 2,000 students at the high school, 2,000 students, how many of those 2,000 students plan to go to the community college? And so we're going to use this probability to predict, just as if you were predicting how many people would win your game if 2,000 people played it. And all you had to do is multiply 2,000 by your probability. So if your probability is 24%, you'll multiply 24% times 2,000. And that's going to end up equaling 480. 0.24 times 1,000 would be 240. Double that, you get 480. And that's all there is to it. I hope that helps.